Hi, I'm Darren.
And I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel.
Yep, and we have some tough news. We've been kind of pushing back for a while here.
And pushing back and pushing back.
It's the right decision, but not the one we want to make, and that is we're going to have to postpone or reschedule the Fall is for Fashion live event. Postpone or reschedule it for next year.
Reschedule it for 2026.
Yeah.
And we don't know when. We have not decided when.
Yeah.
It had 5 strikes against it, and we kept trying to fix those 5 strikes, and then you have to go out of town.
Yeah, just kind of the icing on the cake, or the cherry on top, or the more likely the straw that broke the camel's back.
The straw that broke the camel's back.
The whole government shutdown is. Well, the FCC is closed, which is what I do for a living, is work with TV stations. And anyway, our whole construction schedule for Boston is messed up, and I'm the one who's in charge of all that. So I have to do some traveling, and continuously, that's just been a major problem.
He's going to be gone that weekend.
Yeah, major problem.
And Darren does all of the tech work, all of it. I couldn't have a YouTube channel without Darren. He does it all, seriously.
Well, and we've had some problems with Marna's health, and then I haven't been able to help her because of my work. So it's just gotten crazy, and it's the right thing to do because we want to do a nice event if we're going to do it. And
thank you to all the speakers. Please stand by with me. I really want to do this. It just didn't work out for November.
Yeah.
And I did send an email to all of my guest speakers, and I hope that they got it before they're watching this, and if not, I apologize. Like I said, like Darren said, we tried to the last minute until we got the news that, he was going to be gone. Really tried to get it together, and it just didn't come together.
Yeah. Well, and that's pretty much it. And stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting us. And we love the community, and we're so thankful for you guys and your involvement. And we'll see you all out there soon. And
Winterfest at this time is still on full track.
Well, and that's part of it too, is instead of letting everything slide, by stopping this, we can now refocus
on Winterfest
and tie that up. And thankfully, we've done Winterfest
prior,
so we have a lot of our ducks in the row already. So anyway.
Thank you for watching. Please forgive us. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.